Okay, here I am again. This is Len David Hart, and what I did was, once I got this piece where it's nailed, got that piece over there done, and I got a center point here. It's marked. I don't know if you can see that or not. Then I came down to this corner here. It's a little rough. This is the first time I've ever done this, but this is a raised. I'm gonna make this a raised seam. And then I held when I bent this panel down here. This panel is going to match this panel coming in like this. I held it away from this line a little bit. I got a line here on a center line, and I got a line down here. So that's what we're going to do. I got to climb out on a ladder now, get on this side. I'm going to try to bend this perfectly to that line, or a little bit away. And then when I get this side on there, this side's already bent to that line. So I'm going to give myself a little room. So that's what we're doing here. We're putting a cap on top of this failing wash here. The wash, I don't know, it's loose, and water was leaking, capulating back inside, and that's why we had to do all this new down here again. So, and we had sheathing, and we had a bad rafter in here. There was still some parts in here that were wet, but I get they were good enough to leave, so I left them. So now they'll dry. But right here was really bad. Anyway, we're gonna continue to do this, and we're gonna try to get this job wrapped up.